Hey everyone, today we are talking about whether or not testosterone replacement therapy will cause hair loss. Now, why are we bringing this topic up? Why is this a point of conversation? Well, one, because I've talked about TRT before, and two, I happen to not have hair. Now, this is a common question. People always say, hey, everyone I know that's on testosterone is bald. Is this why you're bald? And the answer is no, it's not why I'm bald. It's not why I've lost my hair. I had been losing my hair long before I ever got on testosterone replacement therapy. And I have a bunch of people ask me about the numbers and the information and all the different things with testosterone replacement therapy. It was something that most likely is due to me having traumatic brain injuries, a bunch of serious concussions from racing motorcycles. And I had the hair loss way back in the day. And this, I really started to thin out probably when I was the 25-ish time, maybe 22, even 21 is when it started to thin. But back then I had really long hair, so it's kind of hard to see at first. But so to answer the question, no, that's not why I lost my hair, because I've been losing it before. But since this is a common question, with just a little bit of quick research to get away from the funny part of my hair and then on to the actual topic, testosterone replacement therapy itself, when it increases your testosterone levels, can increase your DHT levels. And DHT is something in your body. By all means, I'm not a doctor, not a scientist for sure, but it is something in your body that if you're predisposed to having problems with when that gets higher, it causes hair loss, or DHT is causing hair loss in general, this could speed up your hair loss. So really, maybe if you were going to lose your hair, it might speed it up and make you lose your hair a little bit faster. For me, before I ever even got on testosterone, I was already shaving my head. So it had been accelerated to a point of where we were past that either way, and it had thinned out, and I'd kind of gave up the ghost and said, hey, I'm tired of trying to hang on to this. So if you're predisposed to being sensitive to DHT, this can happen whether or not you're on testosterone, because you can be sensitive to it and have the problems even with low testosterone. So it is a common belief, but honestly, there's a lot of bald people out there, and this, for me, was not the reason I lost my hair. I hope this helps you, and since I've talked about this before, makes you feel a little bit more comfortable, because I know plenty of people who are on testosterone who have thick heads of hair and have no issue with that at all. And just like everything else, for me, this is something that now I would never want hair again, because it's so damn easy to maintain this. But just like everything else, genetics are different. Everybody has different things going on. And so in some certain people with the right setup, with the right genetic makeup, with DHT sensitivity, you could lose your hair a little bit faster. But it sounds like from what I'm looking at, you're going to lose your hair anyway.